here with the video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be teaching my sister how to put on false eyelashes. And
because I have no idea what I'm doing.
yeah, and every time she asks me to do it for her,
It's because she puts them on flawlessly. So I think that you guys should see what she does, because maybe y'all can benefit from it, because I'm about to benefit from it myself.
So basically, this could be like a tutorial for you guys, like people like her that don't know what they doing. So tune in. Okay, so the glue that I use, if you guys are wondering, because I know that some people use what the eyelash glue, you know, what the eyelashes came with, which is the glue, but I don't like those because sometimes it dries out white and disgusting. So what I'm using for her eyelash is hair glue, and some people use the glue
That's weave extension glue.
Yeah,
because we don't use all that white crusty eyelash glue that everybody be using. No, the new wave is weave glue, hair glue. Get it while you good. You know what I'm saying? Get it while you gooby. Get it while you can. Get it cause you a man. Get it.
all right, we're gonna open up the eyelash, and it looks like this. Are
What?
you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, you probably have to size your eyelid to make sure it goes on, like it fits on your eyelid. But I don't really feel like cutting it. Let me see.
Too like. So we're gonna. You gotta come. Fan it away, man. That's funny, right?
I did not know I burped.
So the eyelash. Normally, you would have to cut them. She said, like you have to have size them. But she just said that she thinks it'll fit my eyelash. How do you know what would fit someone's eyelash or not?
Because you could just.
What? Cause I got big eyes or something?
Sometimes you can't know. You could think it's gonna fit, and it really doesn't. Like the very end of the eyelash is gonna be like hanging off.
Okay. You're gonna apply it to my right eye?
This is your
Left?
no, this is your right.
Left.
Oh. Right now I'm going to be sizing it. So there's no glue on here. So right now it's just sizing. So come close to the camera. So it looks like it just, you know, it fits. So
Big eyes.
the glue will be on the lash now. Okay, you could use anything to get up in here. Normally I use like the end of a comb, like a rat tail comb, or no, like my makeup brushes.
But right now she being ghetto as hell and using the makeup brush. And
Yeah. Don't zoom in, guys. Don't zoom in.
I must say, as a client, I'm being treated very well.
Boy, you think they gonna book me? So when you apply the glue, you want to blow it, but not all the way to the point where it's dried up already on the glass and on the lash. So you're going to blow blow the damn thing, and then on your eyelid. Don't.
You gotta show them how you apply it. All right, let's go. This is how she applies the lash, because she killing a lot of time.
Blow.
Like,
Apply it right in the middle of her eyelash, just like so, and just press down for like probably 30 seconds.
And then you could swing the lashes. You can get the lash glue on my face, you know. You just swing the end of the lashes. It's basically really easy. Just, yeah, I ain't talking. You know, so we can fast forward this. So yeah, just fast forward that. Oh snap. Normally you have to cut it, but it's actually fitting perfectly. You know, getting size it. I'm gonna stop cutting it because I like the way it looks. Yeah, when I have to get my nails done. Because my nails look like a Mexican. Get hard work in the yard. Even if the that's what it meant, so I don't want to sound racist. My breath smell. Oh yeah, right now I'm just pushing it down so it don't fall off.
Yeah. Look. Hey.
Ooh, you look nice. Wow, the sun is like
lashes. I can't look because the sun is too bright.
the sun is like freaking amazing. Alrighty, El Dorado. Close your eyes. This is probably gonna be really cringy to watch. Hey! Get over here! Most people, they do put eyelashes from the under the lash line, but I don't feel comfortable doing that, so put it right on.
Yeah,
why would they do that?
See? No, that's how you do it.
There you have it. Doesn't she look beautiful? Okay. Nice. I did them really good.
I told you do. Well, guys, this is the end of the video.
If you like more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below.
Leave a comment down below. Tell us how
Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the first thing you should do. Subscribe. Okay, well,
and we'll see you again later. Bye, guys.